Okay, so your first task is to find which.
Oh shit, I still don't know my fault. I still don't know my
So your first task is to find the pattern that does not belong. Alright, how many patterns do you see?
What?
Three patterns.
Three, yeah.
So one of them does not belong. So with your group, you discuss and find which one does not belong and come up with a why. Because I'm going to call on you guys to explain to the class why this pattern does not belong. So you speak to your friends first. Go ahead.
I don't feel comfortable saying it.
Okay.
To discuss which one does not belong.
You talk to him.
So look. Yeah, but look, the one that doesn't belong. All of these are arithmetic and this one is geometric.
Talk to him, explain that to him, and then
Guys, lock in.
discuss too. You'll talk, you'll share with the class.
I don't feel comfortable being on camera.
So change with him.
No. I don't feel like being the ready.
I only got a shirt on, bro. I won't feel with a hoodie on. Take that hoodie off. Take the hoodie off. Then I come out. Take your pants off. Interesting. And then I walk past. Take your phone out.
That's anybody.
No, the camera's right here.
He is, bro. You just said that shit. No, that setup is crazy. That setup is crazy.
You recording this?
Yo, Isaac, you look mad cool.
You gotta get me up. I need to
Hold on,
sit in
wait.
Y'all
You guys like a 15-minute clip, that's it, right?
Okay. You're funny.
Have you started recording yet?
Alright, yeah. Alright, thank you
They was
guys.
talking about you, but you could probably hear.
Wait, what?
No, it wasn't, bro. Stop
She was literally saying she was doing
Definitely something.
I did not say that. I said.
Many of you.
He
She said if I
said.
was up there
Many of
and I
you.
caught somebody.
Isaac,
He
you
said.
Alright, thank you. Alright, now guys, who's ready to share? Alright, Stephen, and then Elijah.
Yeah, I would like to share because I said something really, messed up. Well, I thought it wasn't recorded, but look, I see that the first two sequences, they're arithmetic sequences. We're adding 3 on the
You
first
call
one.
them, how do you call them?
Arithmetic. Arithmetic is something
It's the
like
same
that.
thing. Why did you say this word?
Huh?
Is it in the paper?
No, because I remember it from.
You know that before?
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, thank you.
It means that they're adding or subtracting.
Because they are adding or subtracting.
And then we see the last one is a geometric sequence because you're multiplying or, geometric means multiply or dividing. And so we're multiplying by 2 on each one.
This you said is geometry?
Yes.
So
I think
your answer is
C, it doesn't belong because it's the only geometric.
the only geometric sequence. Okay. Who agrees with that? You all agree? Okay. You agree?
I just said something.
What about, you wanna say something different?
I said pattern B is the imposter because it's the only sequence that's decreasing and the other sequences are increasing.
We got something different. This is increasing, you said, this is increasing, this one is decreasing, so this one is the imposter, right? Okay, thank you so much. Do we agree with that? And do we wanna go with what Brianna said or what Steven said?
What Steven said.
Which one you wanna go with?
Neither, we're both wrong.
Steven, why Steven?
Me?
Because it makes more sense.
Makes
more sense.
What do you mean by Makes sense. Say more.
I don't know, he said it in my ear, so I just said it out loud.
Tell
Say
me
it
more.
more,
Tell me
sorry.
more. Why it makes more sense to go with arithmetic and geometry instead of going up and going down? Alright, go ahead. Johan.
If it goes up on addition or it goes down subtraction, it's still arithmetic. It's still in the group of arithmetic. So
Going up or down still arithmetic, so it means that this one is the. Alright, can you rephrase for me what you just said?
I didn't hear him, but I was gonna say,
You are gonna say something else?
I don't know what he said, but I was saying, because she don't give much, but, basically, part A and B is still saying they're going up and down because arithmetic is still adding and subtracting, while geometry is multiplying. It's still the same concept, it's just different, like,
So that's why you're going with which letter are you going with?
well, C,
You're going with C.
How you said it's geometric.
Alright. Elijah, can you rephrase what you said?
No, he said it's arithmetic, so like, that's, I mean, the other one's geometric, which is why it's like the one that doesn't belong.
Geometric is the one that doesn't belong.
Yeah.
Alright, you have
I like to
something to add?
remember, as pattern C can also be written as oh no.
Pattern C can be arithmetic also, you said? No? Okay, so let's revisit. You wanna review your method, or you wanna keep it?
I mean, is it wrong?
It's not wrong, guys. When we look at it, it's not wrong, but because this one, this one goes down, this two goes up. Alright?
Yeah.
But let's look at the change, how we go from a number to another number.
Yeah.
Alright, to see if we will keep this one. For example, when we go from 5 to 8, what do? We add 3, and here.
Add 3.
3, and here. Okay, what about here? What do we do?
Minus
Plus
4.
-4 or -4.
Minus 4, and here.
Minus 4.
And here,
Again.
again. What about here? If we have to add, what would we add from 1 to 2?
1,
Plus 1. What would we add from 2 to
2,
3.
4,
what would we add? 4. What would
and
we
then
add?
8.
8. So let's check it this way now. By adding. Here I'm adding 3. Here I'm adding 4. Here I'm adding 1, 2, 4, 8. So when we add, give me a second. When we add, so which one we would say it doesn't belong? It's the imposter. See why?
Because it's the only one increasing as speed goes, all the other ones is staying constant.
Okay, thank you so much for that. I need somebody to rephrase what she said. Adriana, can you rephrase what she said? You didn't hear? Can you repeat? Adriana will rephrase.
I was gonna say because it's the only one increasing as you go, all the other ones stay the same.
Can you repeat that? Or rephrase it?
That C because it's the only one that increases while A and B are staying the same.
All right, thank you so much for that. But what is increasing exactly? The rate of change. Rate of change is increasing. So we will go with this because the rate of change is increasing in this one, not in the other one. So I need you to fill out the questions for me where it says which one and give me a reason. So based on this, give me a reason. All right. Based on the work that we just did, we adding 3, we adding 4, negative 4. Here we add 1, we add 2, we add 4, we add 8. So based on this, fill it out from place. Say which one you took and why you took it. So since we brought this word, guys, before I even go further, so what does it mean, arithmetic sequence?
Arithmetic,
What does that mean?
addition or subtract, a sequence that goes,
Rate of change. Is it rate of change?
What does it mean? We would say these two are examples of arithmetic sequence. This is a non-example, right?
I know. Do you want me to?
Example, non-example. Look at the examples and the non-example and give me a definition for arithmetic sequence. I'm gonna write it here.
Arithmetic sequence is a sequence that either goes up by addition or goes down by subtraction.
Goes up. This one goes up also by addition. No?
No, but it doesn't work like that.
So something is missing.
A consistent number.
Consistent or
constant variable.
constant variable or number?
No, a constant number.
Number. Go ahead, Jerry. You wanted to add something? So can you rephrase what you said? Because I'm gonna need to write.
What you was basically saying was that,
It's a sequence.
that increases or decreases by a set amount.
In which
In which the values increase or decrease by a set amount.
which value? Where do we find that value?
The initial value or the first value.
By a certain amount, the same amount? Or so we'll say it's a sequence in which the difference, that's a difference between them, right? The difference is the same thing that you said, phrasing. The difference between what? Two
values.
Let's say consecutive values, because it could be two values, two consecutive values, in which the difference between two consecutive values is, what you said was the word?
Constant.
Thank you so much. Okay, so let's take this for the definition of an arithmetic sequence. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, write down. Write down, and then we'll change to the next one. Done? Good. Can I hear it? Oh, it's over here. I can.
You can erase it.
Now, you have a new scenario, guys. There is a theater, right? A new theater in the area. How many of you like to go to theaters? You know?
Fire stick.
Watching movies, stuff like that. Alright, so there is a new theater opening in this area, and they told you this is the information that you have. The first row going to have how many seats, Elijah?
20.
20. Jalen, how many seats in the second row? Makai, how many seats in the third row? Makai, how many seats are we going to have in the third row?
Oh, 26.
26. Thank you so much for that. You have your paper with you?
Yeah.
All right, now, what do we need to do? What do they ask you to do?
Fill in the number of seats for the first 5 rows.
You need to say it again.
Number of seats for the first 5 rows.
First 5 rows, okay? You can do that with your friends, or you can do this individually.
I was trying, why did I get cool? He setting me up. I want this. He's trying to set me up.
You done it already?
But no, camera doesn't.
Shut up about that camera. Man, no,
Let me see what you have.
He said he was gonna end it.
Yo, you can replay it, bro. You can replay it.
Let me see what you have. Let me see what you have. Okay. You done with this?
First 5 rows is the first 6
Alright, so that was easy to complete the statement, right? Now, the most important thing is the next question. That's what I'm gonna need you to discuss with your partner to find a consensus and to bring something to the table. Alright? So we're gonna need to know, without adding one by one, how many seats are there in the 50th row? How many seats? So discuss first with your partners, discuss first, and then you'll answer the question for the whole class. Right now, how many seats are there in the session?
I know.
You have a partner, you wanna discuss that?
You're 16.
How many seats are there?
No, it was I'm trying to think back on what it was. It was a formula for this.
Let's see. Do you see a relationship between the row of
No, I'm gonna just say it my head.
When the row is 2, how many times? When the row is 3, how many times? When the row is 4. So what about 50?
No, I'm good, bro.
What do you change? Thank you, bro. So, before you get the calculator, what's your strategy? What do you take? Multiply.
I think I got my answer.
You got your answer already? I'm not just looking for the right answer, I'm looking for
The strategy.
the strategy. Alright? You're gonna show me your strategy so we can check it out. So what's your strategy? Yes, 50. How you gonna, what you gonna do to find the number of seats?
So look, 30 plus 5 is gonna be 32, right? And then
Write down, it's okay to get the one and two. Alright, that's good.
I'm gonna go to like those.
Multiply 50 by 20 by 3. What about you? What you?
He's put some on
49 by 3 and
He's put some on.
so I see 2 different methods here, so I need you to share so you can come to a consensus, right? You got something different, we have something different. So talk to each other and see what you have. Okay, how much do you have? You don't know how much?
No, it's 9. What's the answer to the? It's, I know for a fact it ain't 17. What's the answer to the? Yes, 1 to 50.
Yeah, what you got? I don't know.
1 to 50. Fucking stupid, bitch. If you retarded, nigga. It's like the whole camp retarded ass nigga. Wait, how did you get 7? What I did was I changed that. Tragedy. Just 4 times. Added ourselves also by 4 times. Added 2 to also 2 times. 20 to 3, 7 times. I did it all. And like, I did.
What's your final?
Something around 17. Something around 17. I'll double check.
17?
Something around 17. I'll double check.
I said 167.
Same thing you did,
167. Bro, that's not how it works.
Okay,
What'd
so
you get?
thank you guys for your hard
What'd you
work.
get? What's the
Now,
answer?
let's put it together. I saw many of you. I saw like at least.
So dumb. Nah, I know what I done.
Are we ready to put it together? At least I saw 3 different methods. So we're gonna put them together and check which one will keep, which one is the best, or which one works. Alright, so, I still want
That students,
Jumps are fucking.
this is the end of lunch 3A. I repeat, this is the end of lunch 3A. Block 3 for ninth graders begins at 12:05.
I said these,
Three. How many jumps for three?
I said these,
How many jumps for three? How many jumps for three?
and I said something else.
45.
My guys work.
How the fuck is it 45 jumps for fucking three?
Because we
No!
know.
You fucking
No,
stupid nigga.
listen, we start with 5. I started with 5.
Nigga, how the fuck do you
We
get
already know
45?